In this rapidly changing world where companies and business are growing at an increasing rates, the only persistent factors are success and failure. So what makes companies successful? Infrastructure and resources, quality, meticulous planning and execution. People at Jigs Chemical Limited stand out at all the four factors. Jigs Chemical Limited, the leading sourcing and marketing company of industrial chemicals and solvents, pharmaceutical API and intermediates in the country and worldwide, with a vision to become India's leading essential chemicals and API suppliers. We are empowering ourselves for the future. Located strategically, we are one of the most developed chemical sourcing and supplying company of Gujarat, India. Our product portfolio ranges from all industrial chemicals, solvents, API, intermediates, excipients and herbal products. The industrial chemicals we have expertise in supplying chlorinating chemicals like thionyl chloride, sulfuryl chloride, phosphorus oxychloride, phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride. We have expertise in supplying drums and tanker loads of all solvents to several industries. Methylene dichloride, MDC, DMF, chloroform, hydrogen peroxide and several chlor-alkali products like caustic soda, lye and flax, caustic potash, lye and flax in bulk quantities. We do supply active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, its intermediates and excipients for pharma industries with proper documentation support and grades. The products cater the needs of industries like crop protection, pharmaceuticals, textiles, paper, dyes and pigments, refinery, polymers, industrial adhesives, effluent treatment and oxidizing agent for various chemical synthesis. Headquartered in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, today Jigs Chemical Limited is a significant player in the global market as one of the leading suppliers of chemicals and its derivatives. Since commencing operations in the year 1998 with mere strength of 6, today we have grown to 100 plus member employees and the strength comprises of highly motivated workforce which is professionally and technically equipped and has a good blend of youth and experience, equipped with the best of knowledge of industry and taking advantage of the same. We are poised to expand our global footprint in the coming years. In the last 5 years, the company has achieved a turnover of rupees 90 crores in this year and is expected to reach rupees 150 crores soon. We at Jigs Chemical Limited have established ourselves as synonymous with quality, people delivering products that are selected with precision to meet the demands of customers worldwide. Our marketing departments developed a clear message for companies' core products and services while staying ahead of the changes in the industry. We at Jigs Chemical Limited, with a strong marketing team for supplying chemicals, APIs and intermediates, are capable of keeping updated idea about our products and services to cater varied industries using chemicals like pharmaceuticals, chemicals, specialty chemicals. We at Jigs Chemical Limited are achieving product differentiation, creating a lasting impression and maintaining customer loyalty, and are having strict adherence to government and industry regulations. We are overcoming time-consuming hurdles of supply chain of our customers by our benchmarking services of procurement support of raw materials can deliver results for your supply chain and sourcing department. Our strategic sourcing team can identify the right sources of chemicals, API, intermediates, solvents for customers by increasing value, reducing risk and facilitating competitive best-in-class support. Jigs Chemical Limited strategic sourcing team can help bridge the gap that often exists between procurement and production departments. We have the procurement expertise as well as the understanding of the marketing category to deliver results that will meet the needs of both parties. Communication and collaboration are critical factors for thriving in the fast-paced and nuanced environment of marketing. Jix Chemical Limited supports marketing leaders of manufacturers and their counterparts as they seek to establish long-term partnerships, a positive business environment, and competitive pricing. Through benchmarking and supplier and category management, we can identify and evaluate the right source that can provide value to your production and organization. At Jix Chemical Limited, we believe in suppliers by showing full commitment and clear transparency, by listening and discussing needs, and by handling all issues with gentle touch.